are going to study planes. How many types of planes and how to use it and how to insert a plane in any geometry. Normally we have front plane, top plane, this plane. But instead of this plane, if we want to insert any other plane in particular distance, in particular relation, we can do it. Suppose this top plane. Select it, sketch, draw one plane, one geometry, OK, and exit. Now if we want to insert many plane in same top plane, so select top plane, go to feature, and here one reference geometry. Just click and drag it, and these points will come. So here we will choose plane. Now see, it is another plane created with the distance of 10 mm. See here it is showing 10 mm. You can increase 30 mm, 40 mm, anything. And this plane and these planes are parallel. You can make perpendicular also. You can make coincident also. Coincide means with the same plane. Or you can make distance. Or even you can make with angle also. So we will choose first distance. And here one option flip. Flip means opposite direction. See, and here are the options: mid, flip. So select this parallel and keep here, and here one more option: how many number of planes to create. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5. Increase. Select OK. See how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of planes are here. If you want to select this plane and draw any geometry here, it will be accepted. So this is the simple tutorial for planes, how to make or how to insert a plane in a geometry. I hope you like it.